In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a YouTube video to Lovable AI. This process is straightforward and can be incredibly beneficial for creating engaging content using AI technology. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is navigate to the Lovable AI website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. If you have not visited this site before, you may want to spend a few moments familiarizing yourself with its layout. The design is user-friendly, so you should feel right at home navigating the different features available. Once you've landed on the homepage of Lovable, you're going to want to create a prompt. This is where your YouTube video link will come into play. In the provided field, type in any prompt you wish to use. This prompt will serve as a guiding question or statement that Lovable AI can interact with. Then make sure to include the YouTube link directly in your prompt. By doing so, you're giving the AI specific content to engage with, which will help it provide more tailored responses. Be sure the link you include is correct and active to avoid any unnecessary troubleshooting later. A tip for ensuring your link is correct is to copy directly from the URL bar of the video page itself. Now comes the time to verify that your input was successful. You'll want to click on the YouTube link that appears in the preview within Lovable AI. This step is important because it verifies the connection between the AI and the video. The preview should open the YouTube video inside Lovable AI, allowing you to see if everything is functioning as expected. If it plays without a hitch, then you're all set. If not, you may need to go back and recheck the link you entered and ensure that there were no typographical errors. In summary, connecting a YouTube video to Lovable AI involves logging onto the site, typing in a relevant prompt with your video link, and then checking the preview to confirm everything is working as intended. This task, though simple, opens up a plethora of opportunities for enhancing your projects through AI-generated insights and interactions. By marrying the power of YouTube's vast content library with Lovable AI's intelligent processing, you're well on your way to enriching your content creation experience. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and easy to understand. Thank you for watching, and let's continue exploring the amazing world of AI together.